In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your site, whether you're building a personal blog, crafting a professional portfolio, or setting up an online store. Knowing how to effectively add new pages is crucial for expanding your site's content and improving its navigation. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to locate the Pages and Menu option on the left side of the editor. This area is your go-to spot for all things related to your site's navigation. It helps you organize the different sections of your website, ensuring that your visitors can easily find what they're looking for. After you've clicked on Pages and Menu, your next step is to focus on the site menu within that area. This is essentially the backbone of your website's structure, displaying all the pages that your site currently includes. Now, once you're in the site menu, scroll down to the bottom of the panel where you'll find the Add Menu Item option. Clicking this will present you with several choices, and for our purpose today, you'll want to select New Page. This opens up the possibility for you to introduce fresh content and new sections to your site. At this juncture, you have the option to choose between starting with a blank page or using a pre-existing template. If you decide to add a blank page, simply click the plus blank page button located at the top left. This choice is ideal if you're looking for a completely fresh canvas to create something entirely unique. On the other hand, if you prefer a pre-designed layout, hover over the templates available. These templates are incredibly handy, as they come with all the necessary design elements, sleekly laid out for easy management. What's great is the templates are organized by category, making it effortless to find a design that fits your site's theme or specific needs. To select a template, simply click Add Page on your preferred design. Once you've made your choice between a blank page or a template, it's time to give your new page a name. This helps you stay organized and ensures that you're clear on the content and purpose of each page. Enter the name in the Pages panel, and once you're satisfied, click Done. Now comes the fun part, designing your new page. This is where you can let your creativity flow. Customize the layout, fonts, colors, and elements until the page aligns perfectly with your vision and the rest of your site. Remember, a well-designed page doesn't just look good. It also enhances the user experience by making navigation intuitive and content easily accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new page to your site. By following these steps, you're not only expanding your site's capacity, but also enhancing its overall functionality and appeal. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!